Good morning, VC. It's a wonderful Wednesday. We're your hosts, Avalon.
And I'm Elle. Let's start out with today's lunch. On this wonderful Wednesday, we will be having fajita chicken salad, Mexican beans, steamed corn, diced tomato, tropical fruit, churro chip, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Ethan, and here are today's top 5 news stories. Saw school bus launching AI-powered camera systems on school buses. Burger King launching AI chatbots to listen to for workers' friendliness. Houston's 2026 Cinco de Mayo parade canceled over ICE concerns. Instagram will alert parents to teens' suicidal or self-harm searches. Texas firefighters rescue 2 from crashed hit air balloon stuck in high voltage power lines.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Ambiguous. Open to more than one interpretation having a double meaning.
It is during the darkest moments that we must focus to see the light. Aristotle.
As we've hit the midway point of the semester, we want to hear about some of your pet peeves.
One of my biggest pet peeves is when people smell really bad.
Hi, my name is Noah, and my pet peeve is after team sports or weights, and people don't use deodorant. What are we doing?
I'm Brenly Trotter, and my pet peeves are slow walkers and loud chewers.
Hi, my name is Dayon Davis, and my pet peeve is when people wear jerseys for no reason.
My name is Cheyenne, and my biggest pet peeve is when people are chewing with their mouths open or if I can hear them chewing.
Hi, my name is Hannah Miles, and my biggest pet peeve is loud breathing.
My name is Jose Helguera, and my biggest pet peeve are all those squishies.
It's Wednesday again, Hornets. Let's take a look at what we need to accomplish today at Advisory.
Today's Xello lesson for freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors is the meteorite and the crater empathy that includes short video and some reflection questions.
Let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, I'm Andon Sokop, and here's today's weather. Today we will have a high of 55 degrees with sunny skies and winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Tonight we will have a low of 32 degrees and clear skies, winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour.
And now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC!
March 11, 2004. Bombs strike the commuter rail network in Spain's capital, Madrid. The attack, linked to the Al-Qaeda terror network, kills 191 people and wounds more than 2,000 others. 2006. Former Yugoslav President Slobodan Milosevic is found dead in his prison cell in the Netherlands. Milosevic dies while still on trial before a UN War Crimes Tribunal for orchestrating a decade of fighting in the Balkans that killed 250,000 people. 1985, in Moscow, Mikhail Gorbachev becomes the Soviet Union's new leader. Gorbachev succeeds the late Konstantin Chernenko in the Kremlin. 1942. During World War II, General Douglas MacArthur leaves the Philippines for Australia as Japanese forces advance in the Pacific. At the time, MacArthur vows, "I shall return." He keeps that promise nearly 3 years later when the Allies reclaim the Philippines from the Japanese. And 1970.
Teach your children well, their fathers held.
Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young release their Deja Vu album. Among the tracks, Teach Your Children and Our House. Today in history, March 11th, Ross Simpson, The Associated Press.